Hi, I am Dr. Sunil Bangera. I am a consultant general surgeon. I specialize in laparoscopy surgery and laser surgery. I am a consultant surgeon at Horizon Prime Hospital. I have experience of more than 25 years of doing laparoscopy surgery, and I have done more than 12,000 laparoscopy surgery in the last 25 years. Today I will be talking on one of the commonest surgeries that a laparoscopy surgeon conducts is gallstone surgery. What is gallstone, or in medical term it's also called as cholelithiasis. Gallstones are stones that form in the gallbladder. Gallbladder is a small pear-shaped structure which is present just below the liver, and it functions as a storage organ for the liver, where the bile that is produced in the liver is stored in the gallbladder, and whenever a person eats oily food or oil based food, the gallbladder sends the bile into the stomach for the digestion of the fat. What leads to formation of gallstones? What are the risk factors or the predisposing factor which leads to gallstones? Now, one of the commonest cause is obesity, diabetes, sudden loss of weight. It is more common in women who are 40 or more than 40 years old. Women taking contraceptives are also prone to having this problem. It is also commonly, it can occur during pregnancy. Very rarely it is seen in children, but the cause of this is not what is usually seen in adults. It is usually because of the breakage of the red blood cells, which causes increased formation of bilirubin, and which leads to formation of the stones. Now, there are two types of stones which are seen. One is what is called as a single gallstone, okay, which the size can range from around 5 millimeter to 20 millimeters. And the other variety is where you get multiple gallstones, where there are more than one gallstones. What are the signs and symptoms of gallstones? Most of the times it is asymptomatic. Usually it is found when a sonography is done of the abdomen for some other reason. Now, these patients usually have some symptoms like dyspepsia, upper abdominal discomfort, or bloating after eating food. Other than that, there is no symptoms. These are called as silent gallstones. But if the stones migrate and they get stuck in the tube or the duct, then the symptoms are different. He may or she may present with pain which is severe, which is usually in the upper abdomen, and the pain increases more after eating food. The second symptom could be jaundice, that is increase in bile in the blood, and which leads to formation of yellow urine. And the third symptom could be if the stone is getting stuck in the pancreatic duct, it can lead to a severe condition called as pancreatitis.